What's all the commotion around here, man? Cool truck, man. Cool truck.
Yeah.
That is very nice.
Yeah, nice truck,
I've had it
Jason.
for a little over almost 2 months now, right, Karen?
Smells good.
Smells good.
Is there smell-o-vision on
Second
that?
payment.
Oh yeah. Wait,
Second
I gotta
payment
flick,
today.
flick that.
Yeah.
So this is it?
This is it.
Wow.
Now it looks like glass.
Yeah. I never saw it in a day.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That is beautiful. Oh yeah, it looks like glass. Look
Yeah,
at
well,
that.
it's got a layer of dust because it's been sitting, but
Oh no, that looks beautiful.
yeah,
Wow. It looks so much better in the. I mean, you can see it.
I took it
Yeah.
to the detail shop after the dealer put swirl marks on it. It
Uh-huh.
cost the dealer $1,000 to have it
Oh Jesus.
corrected.
Wow.
So, yeah, it has. It's the FX4, so it has the 4-wheel drive package.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right.
It has the V8 engine,
Okay.
so it has the bigger engine. So
Okay.
It's rated at 397 horsepower
Okay.
and 400 foot-pounds of torque. And then it has
Jesus.
all electric seats,
Oh
lumbar
my
support.
God.
It has the extra
Oh
door.
wow. Oh, it's like barn doors.
I went
Yeah.
with the
Yeah.
this door instead of the 4-door
Oh, yeah.
because I get an extra foot in the bed instead of the 5'5"
Oh, okay.
bed.
Okay. All right.
And it gets 1 MPG better.
That's a big opening. Wow.
Yeah.
When you open those up.
And they all fold up too.
Oh wow. Now you never want to open the back door on a freeway.
Not good
Yeah,
idea.
right.
And-
Unless you want to stop real quick or
Sit
lose
in
your
it,
door.
Feel how comfortable the seats are.
Okay. Oh my God.
But when you sit in it, it's like you can
Oh, yeah.
really hear it. And then it has the different driving modes.
Oh, okay.
And then, so right now I'm
Okay.
getting around town 17.2.
That's amazing for a
Yeah.
big truck like
Yeah.
this. Jesus.
When we were on
you
the,
know what I get at my CRV?
what's that?
20
20
around town.
That's what I
Yeah,
get.
yeah, right.
That's about what I get. 20.6 on the
on the freeway.
On the freeway.
Okay. Yeah, I get better. On the
My
freeway.
friend bought a Tacoma and he's getting 15. Yeah,
That's amazing.
and that's a V6.
So this is God. It's got
So and then you can do different modes.
Okay.
You can do normal.
Uh-huh.
You can do tow mode.
Oh, nice.
You could do snow and wet. You could do eco,
Wow.
and you could do sport, and that drops the. It shifts quicker. Yeah.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. I got you on video.
So put it back in gear.
Okay. Well, it's in reverse.
Okay. Put it park. I mean.
Oh, park. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Vehicle is on.
And then it has reverse mode right here.
What
I mean
the
for
heck?
tow mode. You don't have to use a steering wheel because you know when you reverse a trailer, it's the opposite.
Of course.
It's the opposite. It goes the same as the trailer. You don't have to touch the steering wheel. You just turn that knob.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
And it has a line that
And it has a
goes-
That is
line.
incredible.
Yeah.
Can't even imagine how they made
I
that.
don't know. But it also has
Jeez.
it has a light that goes down on the trailer hitch, and then
Wow.
it has a perforated line that goes to the trailer, so you know how to line it up.
Man, that takes all the fun out of
I
it.
know.
Actually.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
God, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then it has the adjusting pedals. It has the
Oh, yeah.
the lumbar support for your back.
Yeah.
You could feel that. I don't know if you could feel it. But
Oh,
it has
oh,
the,
yeah, I can feel it.
Yeah,
I can feel
it has
it.
the lumbar support.
Yeah.
And all the seats, both seats are electric and they're heated. Both seats are heated.
That is
So-
awesome. Now, this is the second truck in your life. The first truck. What was the first truck?
First one was 1969 full-size Chevy that you gave me.
Oh, you're counting that? Oh my God! Okay, all right.
So this is
all
my third
all
truck.
So what was the second truck? When did you buy that?
Oh, geez, when I was 21 years old, you found it in the TRW newspaper.
That's right. I remember.
Yeah.
I remember that TRW.
Yeah, you found it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so-
that is crazy.
Yeah.
And you bought it. And
I bought it for $3,000, what, 26 years ago?
Jesus Christ.
And I sold it for $1,000 more.
Wow. Yeah, I think I remember that. I think I
Yeah.
remember that. Hey, I like that truck, Jason. Oh, hey, that looks good. So you painted this primer, huh?
Yeah, I just didn't know what to do with the top because I didn't want to put
Good
primer
job.
here.
Good job. I like it.
I didn't know if I should paint it white.
Oh no, that looks good.
Yeah.
I like it.
My lines are pretty
Well, this
straight.
way I won't get as dirty either.
Yeah. I just didn't know what to do with up here.
Oh, nice truck, Jason.
Thanks.
All right.
Bye.
Okay, let's see you get scratching second gear now. No, I'm only joking. Just let me hear it.
All right, gotta take the steering wheel off.
Oh, I see. Right? Hey, it starts right up too. All right. Hey, good music.
It doesn't sound that good.
That sounds good. Yeah, that sounds great. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Can't forget the seatbelt.
Oh yeah, don't forget that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, see you later.
Okay, I went to the traffic.
Oh yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah. Although that would have made a good video. Okay.
Bye.
See you later. Yeah, exactly. How many times do you rebuild the engine on your?
Probably 4 times. Yeah.
Yeah, this is amazing. Well,
Yeah.
Congratulations.
So
man.
they say this
I'm proud
is
of you.
the Coyote engine, the V8, and it's supposed to be bulletproof.
Wow.
Compared to the V6s that Ford
Yeah.
is.
Oh
or
yeah, this is
offers.
top of the line.
Yeah.
Wow.
So,
Wow. Well, if that other car, when you bought it, had how many thousand miles on it? 200, something like
I
that?
think almost 200.
Almost 200,000. This has 0.
0. It had
Yeah.
14 when I bought it.
All right.
Yeah.
So if you keep this car,
Oh, shit.
last
the rest
the
of
rest of
my
your life, right?
Yeah, I think when I sold it, it had around 500,000.
Jeez. You know how many times? That's 2 times to the moon, and no, that's the moon is 186,000 miles.
Oh, okay.
Jesus. I mean, if you had a road to the moon
Yeah.
and then came back.
There have to be a bunch of jean shops along the way.
I know.
It took forever.
Exactly. Either that or send Gene up in orbit to repair it.
I think he's already there.
He's already out in West space. All right. Well, thank you. So now let's go celebrate, drink wine.
All right.
And
I want a mint.
oh, really? That's gonna mess up your flavor. Okay. All right. No, you don't
By the
get.
time I get in there, it'll
Oh, okay, all right. I was gonna say, what? How do you like this wine? Ah, it tastes like mint.